last 5-6 years ago, I mean, it was all very much more simple. It was all on top of a piece of bread or with a toothpick, you know, going through the pincho. And nowadays, we're talking about, you know, liquid nitrogen, we're talking about dry ice, we're talking about, you know, caviars. Looking back 30 years, everything's changed, everything's getting better, more sophisticated. And the same things happen with the Pinchos at the same time. In the northern Spain, everyone is really, really upgrading the degree of cooking. I mean. There was maybe 20 participants in the beginning, then there were 60, and now I think after 4 or 5 years, now there's 165 people taking part in the whole of the, you know, the Asturias. I mean, a lot of people, and also Pinchos have been changed, and it gets harder every year to try and win it. One of the main reasons why the people actually, you know, do this type of competitions is, I think, actually to learn also what people other things doing. You learn so much, even if you don't even win. You take back home a lot of information. Obviously, if you win, everyone, you know, goes to the competitions to try and win it. And if you win it, you know, the next day you can actually get prepared, because it's got really a lot of bit of feedback. The television programs, you know, it works out really well for you. You get it recognized. The people know, you know, the television works out really, really good for you at the same time.
Naguar campeón de Asturias de Gijon y Tapas 2 premios.